Welcome to this tutorial on sorting along axes in NumPy. When working with multi-dimensional arrays, understanding how to sort data along different dimensions is a fundamental skill. In this video, you'll learn how to control the direction of sorting operations and manipulate array data efficiently. Before diving into sorting, let's understand what axes mean in NumPy. Axis 0 operates along rows, moving vertically through the array. Axis 1 operates along columns, moving horizontally. When you set axis to none, NumPy flattens the entire array into a one-dimensional structure and then sorts all elements together. Let's start by creating a sample two-dimensional array to work with. First, we import NumPy as NP. Then we create a 3x3 array with the values 9, 2, 7 in the first row, 4, 8, 1 in the second row, and 6, 3, 5 in the third row. This array will help us demonstrate different sorting behaviors. When we sort along axis 0, NumPy compares values vertically within each column. The function np.sort with axis equals 0 takes each column independently and arranges its values in ascending order from top to bottom. The result shows 4, 2, 1 in the first row, 6, 3, 5 in the middle, and 9, 8, 7 at the bottom. Notice how each column is now sorted, but the relationship between row elements is not preserved. Sorting along axis 1 works horizontally across each row. When we call np.sort with axis equals 1, NumPy sorts the values within each row independently from left to right. The output shows 2, 7, 9 in the first row, 1, 4, 8 in the second, and 3, 5, 6 in the third. Each row is now sorted in ascending order, but the vertical relationships between columns are lost. When you set axis to none, NumPy flattens the entire array into a single dimension before sorting. This treats all elements equally, regardless of their original position. The result is a one-dimensional array containing all 9 values sorted from smallest to largest: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is useful when you need a globally sorted list of all values. NumPy's sort function only sorts in ascending order by default. To sort in descending order, we use Python's slicing notation. After sorting with axis equals 1, we apply a slice with (-1) to reverse each row. This gives us 9, 7, 2 in the first row, 8, 4, 1 in the second, and 6, 5, 3 in the third. The (-1) reverses the order along the specified axis. Let's review the key points. The axis parameter controls which direction the sorting operation moves through your array. The original array always remains unchanged when you call sort. NumPy returns a new sorted array copy, preserving your original data. And remember, to sort in descending order, use slicing with (-1) after sorting. With these techniques, you can handle complex sorting operations on multi-dimensional arrays efficiently.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.